XRP is surging, but the price move may not be the most interesting part of this story. New data shows XRP Ledger activity increasingly clustering during the exact hours when London and New York financial markets are both active. So are institutions beginning to leave fingerprints on XRP. XRP has joined the broader crypto rebound as major digital assets move sharply higher. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP have all seen renewed buying pressure, putting traders back on alert for a possible shift in market momentum. The market is watching closely as institutional interest appears to be growing. But this is where things get especially interesting. Data highlighted by Evernorth shows that roughly 23.5% of XRP's on-chain trading volume during July occurred inside a 3-hour period between 1300 and 1600 UTC. That window overlaps London's afternoon session with New York's morning session, some of the busiest hours in traditional global finance. A year earlier, that same trading window represented only around 14.5% of XRP's activity. Now it is approaching 1/4 of the total. That is a meaningful change in when XRP Ledger activity is taking place. Evernorth describes this trend as XRP moving toward what it calls banker hours, and says the pattern is consistent with growing institutional participation. But there is an important distinction. The data does not prove that banks or institutions are buying XRP. Crypto trades around the clock, and there can be multiple explanations for activity becoming concentrated during certain hours. There is another signal traders are watching. XRP open interest on Binance recently climbed to roughly $461 million, reaching its highest level in about 2 months. Rising open interest means more capital is entering leveraged XRP positions. That can show stronger market participation, but it can also increase liquidation risk if price suddenly reverses. So here is the bigger picture. XRP is moving higher, derivatives activity is increasing, and a growing percentage of XRP Ledger activity is occurring during the busiest institutional financial hours. That does not prove Wall Street is piling into XRP, but it is absolutely a trend worth watching. I'm Vanessa Cole with Crypto Talk Now. Do you think institutions are starting to move into XRP? Tell me in the comments and subscribe to the CTN Network for the latest crypto news.